We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, no, no, no! We're out of gas.
I got some.
Not that kind of gas.
Oh.
Who knows how far the gas station is away from here?
I guess we'll just have to go look for one.
Okay. Come on.
Ooh, berries! Don't eat those! They're poisonous. They most likely are. And this is a huge woods. Huge woods. Scary. Lot of green. I guess I'm gonna go find some food.
Okay.
Don't go any farther. He's gonna get you!
Who?
Yeah, he's coming! Riley! What?
The girl came from the woods and ran up to me and said, "Don't go any farther, he's gonna get you." And then there was a stabbing and she took, I don't know, she didn't tell me her name, that's all she said.
The
That's
Cookie
what I
Monster.
was, shut up! She was scared. There must be something out here.
Come on.
I'm telling you.
Oh, God. What's wrong? I don't know. Somebody just shot me.
Oh my God, what was that?
We need to get out of here.
Yeah.
What's your name? Oh, you're so cute. Good girl. Well, I guess you can
go.
stick with us.
Come on, girl.
Come on, girl. We need to get the gas now. Now we're actually going to find a gas station in this place.
There's a road up there.
Do you see it? No, duh, I see it. Come on. Come on, girl. My leg is still sore.
Oh, that was close. What is happening? We need to go now. The road's right up here.
Man, what is that?
Here's the road.
Just start walking fast. I can't with a bum leg. I already got shot with something and now it's shot with another thing.
The road made out of grass.
Oh my God! What's wrong? Dog come from?
Oh,
Okay, now there's two wild
come here,
dogs.
buddy.
Come here. Come here. Really?
Maybe they know the way out.
Yeah,
Let's follow.
Let's just follow them.
We need to get out of
Let's
here.
go.
Maybe they know.
Come on, girl.
How's your leg? Better?
Where'd they go?
I don't know. Great. I just heard them yelping. That might not be good.
He's coming. He's gonna get you. Oh! Hey, come back.
What?
I just saw that girl that you're talking about.
What'd she say now?
She just told me that he's coming for you and you better run.
We need to go.
We need to go now. Where's that coming from? Get out of here.
Oh my God! The dogs, they're fighting.
Oh my God. We have to go now. Hey! Did he say this is a chainsaw?
here. Yes! Yes! Let's go! I tripped in a hole. Let's get out of here. Fast. We need to go.
I'm so glad that we're away from the place.
I don't know what is happening here,